Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on to my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. Are you ready to sit there and make some stadium hot dogs? That's right, we're going to be doing a copycat recipe on stadium hot dogs. Now, these just aren't your ordinary hot dogs. They are steamed hot dogs. So let's go on and let's get cooking. Good looking. Let's grab our rack that came with our Instapots. Now, go ahead, put that down on the inside of your Instapot. I have 3/4 cups of water, so let's go ahead and add that as well. Now, these are the hot dogs we're going to cook for ourselves. So, you pick out which type of a hot dog you want, but we're going with the old-fashioned type, the sausage type. We have our water down inside. We have our trivet. Now let's just add those hot dogs. Now we're gonna sit there and grab, oops, I'm sorry, some aluminum foil, and we're just gonna make a pouch to put our buns all in. I have my aluminum foil. We got our buns. Let's put our buns down on the foil. And as I have 5 hot dogs inside the Instapot, I have 5 hot dog buns right here. There's the Instapot with our dogs already in there. Now, we're just going to wrap these all up and we're going to place them right on into our Instapot. Whoa, I don't mean to bump you so much, but the camera's right before me and I'm trying to work. So we're just gonna wrap these all up like such. Now when I put them in, I'm gonna make sure this side is facing up. That way all the steam that would accumulate inside the pressure cooker or our Instapot will roll right off. So I'm putting this is going to be side up. You just put them right on top of our hot dogs. Grab your Instapot lid on, lock it into place. Make sure that we close the vent. Down here, and we're going to push the steam button, and we're going to increase the time to 15 minutes. And then we're going to do a quick release. So we'll be seeing you in 15 minutes. Good looking. Do you hear what I hear? The Instapot's going off. Now, like I said, do a quick release. I'm going to take the Instapot cover off. Now, always lift the cover away from you as you open it. That way you don't get the steam burns. Now, I'm going to grab my trusty old tongs. We're going to grab our steamed buns. Ooh, look at that. All nice and steamed. And let's sit there and show you our hot dogs on the inside. So I'm going to sit there, grab a plate. I'm going to grab one of these. Oh, beautiful steamed rolls. I'm going to get these other steamed rolls just out of my work area for the time being. And be careful, folks, when you're handling these steamed rolls. They are hot. Believe me, my husband was just laughing at me because I had to make a weird sound when I grabbed that steamed roll and I had it in my hands and it was hot. Now, usually the way that they do it at the stadiums, as I've been told, you take your thinly sliced onions. Now, I'm not going to put relish on ours because we're not relish fans of up here where I am. We don't put that on our hot dogs, so I'm going to leave that out because that would be next after the thinly sliced onions. Now I have to ask my husband, hey, Big Kahuna, do you want mustard on yours or not?
No.
Okay. You can use any type of mustard you want, but at the stadiums, it would be the yellow mustard. I know somebody's going to sit there and make a comment to me I wasn't using the proper mustard. And also, they would put pickle relish on theirs. Like I said, we're not pickle relish fans up here. Now, a state that lives around me would sit there and say, this is sacrilege of what we do in our state with our hot dogs. Well, I'm going to sit there and grab a hot dog right out of the Instapot. We're going to place it right on our steamed bun. I'm going to open up. Oh my God, here we go. I know they're sitting there going, no! But, oh yeah. Now I'm going to let my husband fix up the rest of his plate. But before he does, he's going to give us a taste test. So I'm going to hand this bad boy off to him.
Thank you, Ma.
Let me know what you think of it.
It's good.
Well, you heard it from him. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to fix myself up a plate just as well. And there you go, good looking. I just showed you how to make a stadium steamed hot dog. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Now, if you want to sit there and give my channel a little extra love, we would greatly appreciate it. And we're kind of asking you to give us some well-needed watch time. Go on, go pick out some of my older videos and be sure to watch some of them. I have a lot of good recipes that y'all may be interested in, and you may want to be cooking good looking. Until next time, peace out, and I love you. Bye-bye.